Say hi to my vlog. We about to go to see Black Panther. My head is itching. I look too white. I look too white.
What is wrong with you? It's not how you vlog.
This is how you vlog. Okay, you vlog it. You
like,
take
this is
over.
how you vlog. Like, look here, me and my crew gonna go to the movies or whatever, because you know Black Panther coming out, so all these black folks, they want to act crazy. Okay, Color Purple was a black movie. Ain't nobody, they weren't hyped about that.
Cause that's old. That was like people back in the day.
But they ain't like, okay, that black people gotta go in groups and do. It's just doing too much. You're doing too much. They took it a little bit too serious, if you ask me.
Yeah.
Those black people gonna retaliate. And plus, most people be carrying their guns anyway.
Yeah. I don't think I'm getting my license. Like, I'm scared of guns. I don't even want to get around one. You turn this light around.
Before she died, I think her daughter.
That look washed out. Diffuse some of that light. There we go. Do you want me to do them for real?
Get you. Yes.
Okay, I will.
Dude. We all gonna take a shot, okay? Huh? We all gonna take a shot. Yes, you are.
Cause I
get you out there crying.
I be messed up.
You said what?
I ain't crying. I'm just being dramatic. I'll be back.
Where you going?
To the gas station.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday, February the 20th or the 21st. It's the 21st. So I just went live on Facebook on my beauty page. I will leave it down here so you can know when I go live again. And I had some music playing in the background, and I put in the caption that I do not own copyrights, but I still had issues, so I was allowed to post it. I'm just hoping they don't go back and like try to make me take it down again. So now I know next time not to play music at all, so that sucks. So I'm about to make me some breakfast. I think I want like an egg and jelly sandwich. I ever had one of those? So I'm about to go downstairs and let's get something to eat. Let me see how my makeup look in the bathroom first. Okay, flawless. So cold. I can set y'all up where y'all don't fall. Let's see, hold on. What do I do? I guess. Okay, so it's been so weird like that I'm cooking now, because at home I never cook. Got my skillets. Need some butter. I want some pepperoni. Let me know if y'all eat pepperoni by itself, like as a snack. Toast my bread first. I'm gonna toast my bread for a little bit. And it's so hard to maneuver in this kitchen. I wish y'all could see it. I probably showed y'all, but show y'all. But it's just like too little. I can't move, do anything in here. Alright, to clean up my food cabinet.
So I'm just chilling. This is what I normally do when I cook. But on days I don't have class, I just do my makeup, record a video or something like that, and just chill for the next day. But I have homework. Well, not so much homework, but it's like you have to do it in like a week or so. You should probably get that done. Where's my bread?
Let that heat up a little bit. Keep these eggs. So I'm about to come back when my food is done. So this is it. It looks so good.